Hello, Darren Olander here, and I'm excited to share with you the compensation plan behind the Prosperity Marketing System. This system has an extremely powerful but simple compensation plan. It is 100% with leverage, and this means all the money goes to the members. I keep absolutely nothing. And the leverage means as you build your team will help you make sales. So you can actually turn one sale into an unlimited amount more. That's a lot more rewarding than 100%. With the Prosperity Marketing System, I'm actually giving it all away to you. You get paid better than me. I've spent a fortune developing this system. I'll continue to do that, and as well as maintaining it. The members get 100% commissions, and I only get paid when I directly from members, just like you do. And for me, that's enough, because I know the system works. I already make more than enough just promoting the system myself. That's why I'm so confident that you can too. The fees that you pay for your membership, for example, go to your upline, just like the fees of your referrals will do for you. So all you have to do to get that ball rolling is join and then start building your team. So let's get into the details of the compensation. So this is what a traditional referral tree looks like. This is you at the top. This is where it all starts. And any of these on the next line are all your referrals. You can have a limited amount of referrals on here. So let's say you referred Jim, Mary, Adam, and Sarah. You'll earn 100% of whatever Jim is paying. Now after the processing fee, which has to be removed because we're charged that from the processing company, 100% of that is paid out. So you'll earn 100% of that after that's done. Now, your second sale and your fourth sale are actually passed up to your upline. And this is to secure leverage for you for the future so that it can snowball into a ton amount of extra sales for you. Your third sale goes 100% to you, just like your first sale did. And your fifth sale and any sale after that go 100% to you every single month. But let's get into how the leverage works and why that is so good. Now, look at your first referral, Jim. So he's made as many referrals as you, for example, say 4. His first and his third sale go 100% to him, just like yours did. Now his second and fourth sale are passed up, just like your second and fourth sale is passed up. Except this time, his second and fourth are passed up to you because you're his sponsor. So you make 100% every single month into your pocket. And what's even cooler is this goes to unlimited levels. So say this person, the referral of Jim, makes 4 sales. Well, their first sale and their third sale go 100% to them, just like it did for you and it did for Jim. Now their second and fourth sale are passed up. And since they were passed up to you, their second and fourth is also passed up to you. So as you can see, this will snowball in the amount of sales that other people are making for you. All you need to do is get the ball rolling, and as other people start making sales, they'll begin passing up to you. And the same thing would happen with these second and fourth sales that Tammy made. Well, their second and fourth sales are also passed up to you. So, and that goes to unlimited levels. Now that's a lot of income potential there. And all you have to do to get that leverage is pass up your second and your fourth sale, which will go to your upline sponsor. Or if you're passed up to someone, then you're passing up your sales to them. You'll earn 100% of your sales, your first and your third, and in your fifth sale and any sale after that, as well as the second and fourth sale of any of your referrals, and then any pass-up sales. So there's a ton of income potential here. I hope you can see it. I look forward to paying you a ton of commissions from this. All you have to do is get the ball rolling. I look forward to sending you those commissions. Take care.